home. Looks good. Except for this. This is not good. Clean that all up. This is the leaker right here. That's a very dirty mainsail cover. Oh dear. Oh dear.
Marine office tonight.
Oh dear. Alright, that's all 3 tracks.
Ooh, they're playing a little yacht rock.
They are. Make a wish, baby.
I think this is the river bend. Secure enough?
Yeah. There's only one more step after the one you're on. It's pretty far, but there you go.
I got it.
Are you gonna just open launch? You have your earrings in, by the way. Woohoo! Brisk?
Risk.
Nice. Not too bad with your scuba shirt. Yeah. She's beached. Honestly, if you took over steering, I could raise the sail while you're motoring like this.
I can do that.
little slow.
All right, I got a little breeze on the beam here. 2.5 knots. Stock 28-year-old Doyle with a rip in it. I haven't put on our new one. Getting the last bit of life out of her. We're on downwind run. I mean, if 2.4 knots is running, that's the Orca free app. Put it on our $120 iPad. We connected our Earthlink dish back here. Ran a quick little lash up for the 12 volt to USB-C to power the Earthlink dish. USB output to power the iPad. And we're running a handheld VHF with AIS. 3.2 knots. We're cruising along in Warm Creek Bay right now. Headed vaguely back towards our cove that we anchored in last night. The winds came up nicely this afternoon to actually get a little sailing time in for the first time on Lake Powell. Now we actually beached her for the first time. 3.6 knots. Wow! That's fast for us.
Those cows?
4.6 knots. Wow. We're actually heeled over maybe 5 degrees. Wind kicked up. Sails are down. Making 5.5 knots into the wind. We're going to try and change the course and head up the channel to San Padre and see if we get a little shelter from this blow. We're driving right into it right now. How's it look? Does the water look flatter over there? Less roller? Past that stone, it looks a little flatter. Alright, we'll go past the channel and see if we can see down the channel. last night at Lake Powell, and we beached it in a very steep beach.
A very pretty Planet of the Apes landscape.
We got a hard wind off our starboard side, so we moved buried the anchor in a pit off our starboard side, and we moved the anchor line back to our rear cleat to keep us from spinning off where we beached it. We might add a second anchor. We have a little kayak anchor we can fill with rocks and sand, and we can anchor the other side in case the wind changes direction tonight. But this kept us with our propeller deep. And the wind's supposed to subside around nightfall. So hopefully we don't have any freak Lake Powell storms.
Like we did last time.
But there's lots of signs of fire pits on this beach for people camping out before. It's a gorgeous little red dune.
It's very pretty. It looks like an area many people would dream about being in, including myself. And actually the Planet of the Apes comment is because Planet of the Apes was filmed in parts of Lake Powell.
Oh, I did not know.
Yeah.
I thought it was all in the what do you call it?
The dunes of California. I think they did film part of it there.
I think that's where they
I'll
found the
have to-
Statue of Liberty scene.
I'll have to do a little further research. I think you're correct. But they did film at least parts at Lake Powell. And it's very beautiful here, and it's almost a full moon. Tomorrow night is going to be the full moon.
And in the morning we motor back to the marina and take it out until our next trip up, which might only be in 2 weeks.
Could be in 2 weeks.
We're going to be halfway here for a wedding. We're going to be in Sedona for a wedding in 2 weeks. So we'll be halfway here. If the weather's beautiful again, we'll take some days off work and do another Lake Powell run.
And scene.